Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Today is the time for some more camera comparisons, and today I'm gonna compare my Nikon Coolpix B500 to the Canon PowerShot SX540 HS. So let's get started.
Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I am on YouTube. Thank you.
Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Welcome to my channel, which is all about photography, travel, vlogging, cameras, and I put out new photography tutorials every Wednesday for you guys. So if you want new tips and tricks from me every Wednesday, please consider subscribing. And in today's video, we are going to compare two bridge cameras, the Nikon Coolpix B500 and Canon PowerShot SX540 HS. Now, many of you guys have asked me which camera is better, B500 or SX540 HS. So I hope my video will clear many of your doubts. And we are going to score these two cameras based on their specs like video resolution, shooting speed, sensor size, etc. And then we are going to find out which camera is best based on their scores. Obviously, the camera with the highest score will win. So let the game begin. Both cameras have the same sensor size, that is 1 by 2.3 inch DSI CMOS sensor, but the B500 has 16 megapixels, and the Canon camera can give you 20 megapixels. So SX540 HS gets a point. The B500 may cost you around 17,130 rupees on Amazon India, and the SX540 HS may cost you around 18,746 rupees. So the B500 is cheaper, so it will get a point. And the B500 has 40x optical zoom, but 540 HS has 50x optical zoom. So Canon camera gets a point. The B500 can capture 7 full resolution images at up to 7 fps, and the shooting speed of the Canon camera is 5.9 fps. So the B500 gets a point. Both cameras can film videos at 1920 by 1080 at 30 and 60 fps. So both will get a point. The SX540 weighs lighter than the B500. It weighs around 442 grams as opposed to 541 grams by the B500. So it is more compact and lightweight, so it will get a point. The B500 has a tilting screen. Its screen cannot swivel to the side, but it can tilt in such a way. So it's good for low angle, high angle shots, and the screen of the Canon camera is fixed. So B500 will again get a point. The LCD screen resolution of the B500 is 921K dots, and the same for the Canon camera is 461K dots. So the B500 gives you 100% higher screen resolution, so it will get a point. The B500 with a single charge can give you around 600 shots, but the SX540 can give you 205 shots. So the B500 gives you 395 more shots with a single charge. Still, we'll give it only 1 point today. The B500's widest focal length is 23 mm and longest tele reach is 900 mm. And the same values for the SX540 HS 24 mm and 1200 mm. So the B500 gives you 1 mm wider coverage, but the Canon camera gives you 300 mm longer telephoto reach. So we'll give 1 point to both. You can connect your B500 to your laptop or mobile phone via Bluetooth, but you cannot do that with the SX540 HS. Both cameras have some common features that I want to tell you guys. Now these features are quite basic, so we won't score them, but I think you should know them if you want to buy any of these cameras. Both cameras have somewhat similar inbuilt flash, image stabilization, manual exposure, face detection focus, ISO range of up to 3200, wide balance modes, and wireless connectivity. Both cameras don't have a viewfinder, meaning you have to keep looking at the screen while clicking. They don't support RAW, meaning you can only click JPEG images in camera. Both cameras don't have a manual mode, no inbuilt GPS, no touchscreen capabilities, no shoe for external flash, and no headphone and microphone jacket. So guys, based on our score, the B500 is a winner because it gives me better battery life, faster shooting speed, a tilting screen, Bluetooth connectivity, and all this at a lesser price. But the Canon camera is also not very far behind. You can choose it if you want more optical zoom, better telephoto reach, and more megapixels. So it's your decision, guys. I would have gone for the B500, but if the super zoom is your priority, then you should definitely choose the SX540 HS over the B500. So guys, this was a comparison between these two cameras, and I hope my video cleared some of your doubts and can help you in your purchase decision. If it did, give me a huge thumbs up and leave a comment down below about which comparisons you want me to make next on my channel. If you're stuck between two cameras and don't know which one to buy, please leave those suggestions down below, and I'll try to make as many videos as possible. And share this video with your photography friends if they are confused too. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous camera comparison vlog. Please go check it out, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.